and I am super excited for today's art activity. Today we are going to be making this handprint ocean theme. We are going to be making these two different types of crabs, these two fish, and this jellyfish using our own handprints. Isn't that so cool? Alright, let me show you the supplies that you're going to need. You will need a big white piece of paper, dish soap and water, a straw and a paintbrush, blue, red, green, and brown paint, as well as 3 other colors of paint of your choice, a black marker, googly eyes, and a glue stick. In a bowl, mix together some blue paint, dish soap, and water. Stir it up. Boil the mixture with a straw. And press your paper into the bowl. Like this. Keep repeating it until your page is full. Once you have covered your whole page, it should look something like this. Wait a few minutes for this to dry. Now it is time to paint the sand. Grab your brown paint. Paint the bottom of your page. Grab a colored paint and a paintbrush to paint your hand and create a handprint jellyfish. Press your hand down on the paper. To give your jellyfish a fuller look, fill it in with some more paint. Grab another colored paint and a paintbrush, as we are now going to create a handprint fish. Once your hand is completely covered, place it down on the page sideways like this. Fill in the handprint with extra paint. Grab another colored paint and a paintbrush to create one more handprint fish. Press your hand down on the page again. Fill in the handprint. green paint and a brush and paint some seaweed. Now grab some red paint to create handprint crabs. Now paint the other hand. And press it down right beside the other one. Like that. Now fill in the crab with more red paint. Grab a black marker and give your jellyfish a smile. Glue down googly eyes on all your sea critters. Take a closer look at this, it looks like we're missing something. Grab your red paint and a paintbrush and paint your hand. Press your hand down on the page like this. Now fill in your handprint with more red paint. Now while that guy dries, grab some green paint and make some swirls all over the page. Once your crab is dry, grab some paint. I'm using purple, and we're going to make a shell. Now grab your black marker and draw smiles on this crab and this crab and your two fish like this. And for the final step, grab a glue stick and two googly eyes and put them right here on your crab. All of your guys' hard work totally paid off. Look at how good this looks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye! Please take a picture of your finished project and send it to the art gallery's email, art@kawarthagallery.com. Be sure to include your first name, age, and title of the project. The art gallery is going to post photos of your art on the website and social media so you can see your art posted online.